Hi, I'm Dr. Brent Fruin. I'm a general surgeon. I've been with the surgical clinic for 5 years. I grew up in Omaha, Nebraska and came down here for college and stayed here for medical school at Vanderbilt. Did 7 years of residency and training at Boston University and the Boston City Hospital. And after that was over, I came down here and started practice. And this is my 9th year in practice. A lot of family history here. My parents are Vanderbilt alums and met here, and always grew up listening to them talk about Nashville and their times at Vanderbilt. My father was a huge influence on my decision to go into medicine and surgery. He was a neurosurgeon. He was a pretty phenomenal guy. He was essentially paralyzed from radiation injury he suffered from getting cancer treatments when he was 25 years old, and he stuck with it and was able to operate sitting down, and did a full career in neurosurgery. Never heard him complain, never heard him whine. I used to look at him at the end of a work day and he had a very just content, gratified look on his face after every day at work. So I think having grown up around that, it definitely inspired me to go into medicine and practice surgery. And my wife, Brandy, is also in the medical field. She's a nurse, and we have one son, one little boy, Jack Fruin, who just turned 5 years old, who is a wonderful little guy and a constant joy. I am always amazed at how strong people are when faced with life-threatening or life-changing illness or disease. And you give them news that's probably the worst news they've heard in their life, on sometimes the worst day of their life, and you help them through these times, and most of the time we get them better, and it's a great feeling.